Hello. Welcome to your slow English listening practice. In this session, we'll practice understanding English slowly, clearly, and naturally. So, find a quiet place. Sit back. Relax. And listen carefully. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Just listen. Let the rhythm of English enter your mind. Let's begin. 1 morning routine. Let's start with something simple, your morning. Listen slowly. Repeat after me if you can. I wake up early in the morning. I open my eyes and take a deep breath. The room is quiet. The sunlight comes through the window. I sit on my bed and stretch my arms. I smile and say, it's a new day. I stand up. I walk to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. It feels fresh. I brush my teeth. I look in the mirror and say, I am ready for today. Now, I make my bed. I keep my room clean. A clean room makes my mind peaceful. I go to the kitchen. I drink a glass of water. Then I make my breakfast. Sometimes I eat bread and eggs. Sometimes I eat fruits. And sometimes I just drink tea. I sit near the window. I enjoy my breakfast slowly. I listen to the birds outside. After breakfast, I get ready for my day. I choose my clothes. I get dressed. I look in the mirror and say, I am confident. I can do anything. Good morning, new day. Let's make it a good one. Did you understand most of that? Don't worry if not, you can listen again later. Listening slowly, every day, builds your English power. 2. Going to work or school. Now imagine, you are leaving home. You are going to your school, your college, or your work. Let's listen. I walk out of my house. The air feels cool. I see people walking on the street. Some are in a hurry. Some are relaxed. I go to the bus stop. I wait for my bus. The bus comes. I get on the bus and find a seat. I look outside the window. The world is moving. Cars, trees, people, buildings, everything looks alive. Sometimes I listen to music. Sometimes I just enjoy the view. The bus stops. I get down. I walk to my office or school. I meet my friends or coworkers. I say, Good morning. How are you today? They smile and say, I'm good. How about you? We talk for a few minutes. Then I start my work. I open my laptop. I read my emails. I check my tasks. And I begin my day. Pause. This is normal English. This is real life English. You don't need difficult words. You just need clear thoughts and confident speech. 3. Small conversations. Let's practice small conversations, the kind of English you hear every day. Listen slowly. Woman person A, hi. How's your day going? Man person B, pretty good, thanks. How about yours? Woman, it's going well. I'm a little busy today. Man, yeah, same here. Lots of work. Woman, are you free this weekend? Man, maybe. I might go out with my family. Woman, that's nice. Have fun. Man, thank you. You too. Pause. Let's repeat one more small talk example. Woman, excuse me, can you help me? Man, sure. What do you need? Woman, I'm looking for the nearest coffee shop. Man, it's right around the corner. Just go straight and turn left. Woman, thank you so much. Man, you are welcome. Pause. Simple, right? But this kind of English is powerful. Because this is what you actually use in real life. So listen again and imagine you are part of the conversation. Your brain will slowly start to think in English. 4. Afternoon story. Now, let's move to a short story. Listen carefully and visualize it in your mind. Slow and expressive tone. It's a warm afternoon. Emma is sitting in a small cafe. She's drinking coffee and reading a book. The cafe is quiet. Soft music is playing in the background. She looks outside the window. People are walking. Children are laughing. The sky is bright and blue. A waiter comes to her table and says, "Would you like another cup of coffee?" Emma smiles and says, "Yes, please. One more cup." The waiter nods and walks away. Emma takes a deep breath. She feels peaceful. She opens her notebook and writes, "Today, I feel calm." Sometimes doing nothing is everything. A few minutes later, her friend arrives. "Hey, Emma." "Sorry, I'm late," he says. "No problem," she replies. They both laugh. They talk for hours. About work. About life. About dreams. When they leave the cafe, the sun is setting. The sky turns orange and pink. Emma smiles and says, "It was a beautiful day." Pause. How do you feel listening to that? When you imagine stories in English, you train your mind to think in English, slowly and naturally. Now, let's talk about your evening. I come home after a long day. I take off my shoes. I sit on the sofa and relax. I drink some water. I feel tired, but happy. I look at my phone. I check my messages. I reply to my friends. Then I help my family with dinner. We eat together. We talk about our day. We laugh. We share stories. After dinner, I go for a short walk. The air feels cool and soft. I look at the moon. I listen to the sound of crickets. I come back home. I take a shower. I feel fresh again. I open my notebook and write. Today, I practiced English. I made progress. I'm proud of myself. Then I turn off the light and say, "Good night. See you tomorrow." 6. Mindful listening exercise. Now, let's do a small listening meditation. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. And just listen. Slow, calming pace. Listen to my voice. Listen to each word. Listen to the silence between the words. When you listen slowly, you understand deeply. English is not just about words. It's about sound, rhythm, and feeling. Let the words flow through your mind. Don't try too hard. Just feel them. Pause. Repeat after me, slowly. I am learning English. I am improving every day. I listen carefully. I understand more and more. I am confident. Beautiful. That's how your brain learns, with calm focus and consistency. Before we end, listen to these words carefully. You are doing something amazing. You are learning a new language. You are improving every day. It doesn't matter how slow you go. As long as you don't stop. Every word you understand. Every sentence you repeat. Every video you listen to takes you one step closer to fluency. So never give up. Don't compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with who you were yesterday. Be patient. Be proud. Be confident. English will soon become your second nature. Thank you. Till then, keep shining.